Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, I did this stitch many years ago, but I didn't show you how to close the top. So the stitch is made with shells, the stitch, and the top is kind of pointy. So recently I received so many comments to show you how to close this stitch. This stitch has only one row repeat, and you keep doing this until one row until you finish your project. The stitch is reversible, front and back is the same. So what you have to do after you finish, let's say your work and you want to close, this I did with how much is this? 2.0 millimeter crochet hook, so it's quite thin, the yarn. I did the 2.0 millimeter crochet hook because I know this stitch looks much better with a thinner yarn than the thicker yarn. You go with the thick, it might lose the look. But if some of you like thicker, like 3.5, 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, and use this stitch, sure, no problem. It's all up to each of you. Okay, so after you finish the last double crochet into the top third chain, you're gonna chain one, turn your work, and now you have to close the work. Yeah. So what you're gonna do, we have the first stitch here, we're gonna leave this alone. Yeah, move to the shell. So we have 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet that forms the shell. So you're gonna go to the first set of 3 double crochets. So into the first double crochet through the stitch, you're gonna do a single crochet. You move to the second double crochet of that shell and do a single crochet, move to the third, single crochet, and now we have the chain 2, skip this chain 2. So next you're gonna move to the rest of the shell. Yeah, so we have 3 more double crochets in here, in which you're gonna move to the first double crochet, single crochet, move to the second, single crochet, the third, single crochet. And now what you're gonna do until you finish this row, you're gonna do single crochet in each double crochet from the previous row, skip the chain 2. Yeah, so move to the next shell, the first double crochet, single crochet, move to the second, single crochet, move to the third, single crochet, and now skip the chain 2, move to the next double crochet, and you're gonna do like this, single crochet in each of the stitches of the double crochet from the previous row. If you are to do this like a, I don't know, tank top, a vest, even a blanket, if you choose, skip the 2 chains and move to the next. Make sure that when you start this the stitch, you should do at least 3 or 4 rows of single crochet. In here I did only 1 row of single crochet, and then I start with the shell. Yeah, but I think it's nice to start, for example, if you do a tank top, do 3-4 rows of single crochet, and you're gonna finish maybe with only 2 rows of single crochet. Yeah, so you just move and you do in each stitch single crochet, skipping the 2 chains in between the clusters of these double crochets. It's very easy, goes really fast, but you have to put at least 2 rows of single crochet at the top. So we do this row of single crochet, and you should do, skip the 2 chains, and you should do 1 more row of single crochet. Now depends your yarn size. If you use a thicker yarn, maybe 1 row is enough. This row that we're doing now. So the last shell of the row, so we're gonna do in each stitch single crochet. Okay, skip the 2 chains and move to the next double crochet from that shell and do. So you're gonna have 6 single crochet, and you're gonna skip the chains 2 in between them. And now at the end you have the chain 3, so you're gonna go on top of the 3rd chain, yeah, and you're gonna do a single crochet. So maybe you should do 1 more row of single crochet at the top. Yeah, so you're gonna go into the first stitch and you're gonna do a single crochet, and so on. And you're gonna do single crochet in each stitch until you finish your row. So when you're gonna do 2 rows or 3 rows, depends on your yarn size, the work is done. But I think you should do the same, at least in the, not necessarily the same, but at the bottom, if you are to make a time tap, for example, do 3 or 4 rows of single crochet and you close the top. Yeah? It's a little bit wavy like the bottom, if you like. So that's about it. So the first, let's show you the first stitch for those of you that are beginners. So the first stitch is here. So you're gonna go in there and you're gonna do a single crochet, and now you're gonna have in each stitch you're gonna do single crochet, and you're gonna go like this on and on and on until you finish your project and you close the work. So if some of you didn't know, well, I didn't show you in the what I did many years ago, the stitch. I didn't show you how to close the top. So this is the stitch. It's reversible. You can do so many things with this stitch. Hope you like, and you give it a try for summer. Even a bag will look nice, even a table runner. It's up to you. You decide. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.